In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ElevenLabs voice. Welcome, and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, just make sure it's something you're comfortable navigating. Once you have your browser open, proceed to log in to your ElevenLabs account. If this is your first time, you may need to set up your account, but for returning users, logging in should be a breeze. Always make sure that your credentials are secure and up to date. Now, once you're logged in, it's time to focus on the main area we'll be working with, which is the text-to-speech section. You should direct your attention to the right sidebar. This is where most of the customization options are located. Under the Settings tab, you'll notice an option labeled Voice, accompanied by a drop-down menu. This area is vital because it allows you to explore different voice options available to you. Click on the drop-down menu to access the vast voice library that ElevenLabs offers. Here, you'll find an array of voices to choose from, each with unique characteristics. Take a moment to explore these options, as this library is your gateway to finding the perfect voice that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for something professional, casual, or quirky, there's likely a voice in there for you. After exploring, it's time to select a voice. But it doesn't end at just picking one. You'll want to fine-tune this voice to match your specific requirements. This is where the sliders for stability, similarity, and style exaggeration come into play. Adjust the stability slider to control how stable or dynamic you want the voice to be. The similarity slider lets you tweak how closely you want it to match with a particular tone or style. Lastly, the style exaggeration slider adds an extra edge to your chosen voice, enhancing its expression and character. Once you've adjusted these sliders to your satisfaction, click on the Generate Speech button. This action will apply all your selected settings and transform your text into the voice you have curated. It's quite fascinating to see your text come alive with a voice crafted perfectly to your liking. Finally, when you're happy with how everything sounds, the last step is simple. Either download your new audio file or share it directly from the platform. Whether you're using this for a project, presentation, or personal use, distributing it can be done in just a couple of clicks. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing an ElevenLabs voice in just a few minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to tweak voice settings for different projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.